Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel, and for today's video I will be taking you to the Anjuna Beach, showing you what is the shopping like and giving you complete updates about the shack, also prices about the water sports, and also showing you what are the tourists like, and also giving you some information about beachside restaurants that you can actually visit while you're here. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end, and also if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified every single time I release new videos. So let's get started. So this place is called Janet and Jones, which is a multi-cuisine restaurant, and I think you almost get everything here, but I'm sure by the looks of it you get some amazing pizza. Okay, so this is the vibe here at Anjuna. As you can see, there is a lot of crowd on that beach, that side. And currently it is around 4 in the evening. So this, where I am at this point in time, is just in front of the Elephant Beach Cafe, which I've made a video on, and if you've missed that, do go check that out. I'll also put it in the description link. It's a beautiful cafe here at Anjuna. So some of the shacks that are here are not very crowded, and some of them don't even play some music. So there are very few shacks that are really happening here on this beach. So this cafe here that you can see is a nice cafe that you can head to. I forgot what it's called. Yeah, I think it's called Cafe Antonio. And today the water is looking so gorgeous, and it's blue color. So as you can see, there are a lot of people here doing their water sports. And Anjuna is quite famous for all your water sport activities as well. So in a while I will be giving you the price listing if you take a combination of 4 sports and stuff like that. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end for that. Okay, so there is a cafe that is there as well. It's called Fish Oven. Again, they have nice beach beds and all of that. So it is super duper hot. And let me just take you to the sports counter. That's the sports counter, which is right there. So I would personally recommend that you do, a sports, water sports combination of like 3 or 4 sports. Okay, I'm not sure if you can actually see it, but parasailing is at 900, and then you have parasailing with a dip, which is at 1,100. And all these prices that are here, so you can maybe just pause the video and check them out. Okay, so this is the package that they have, which is for 2,500, and you get all of this. You also get, a scuba diving thing to do as well. Okay, so the sand is really, really hot. Let me just quickly run to the shade. It is so hot. But of course, this is a part of vlogging. So this is the vibe here at Anjuna, and it is super duper duper hot. I can't tell you how hot it is at this point in time. I thought it wouldn't be this hot, but it's really hot. Okay, so let me just show you around. Okay, so we're just walking back, and I'll show you that way as well. Okay, so Anjuna is a lot more peaceful compared to your beaches in Baga and Kalangut. I mean, these two beaches are totally crowded, where you will have lakhs together of tourists, and quite honestly, you wouldn't even have place to stand on the beach. So Anjuna is a far preferred option for us, at least. So this is your banana ride, and that they use for your bumper ride, I think. I've never done this really in the past. So as you can see, this side there is an entrance from the parking that leads you to come directly this side as well. And there's a small little shopping place too that I will be showing you while I'm exiting. So in the evening times, you can actually take a walk all along this beach right until that end. And some of the shacks are still being constructed, as you can see. And among all of these shacks, the shacks that are really famous, one is, I think, you have the Aura, and then you have the Elephant Beach Cafe, and then Lilliput as well is one among the famous beach cafes. It is really hot, you guys. I mean, I'm doing this for you, so I hope you appreciate what I do. I mean, this is all part and parcel of vlogging, and this is the regular vlogger's life. Okay, so like I was saying, this is the Elephant Cafe, and that's Lilliput that is right there. So I'll just walk a little further, and there's this place that is coming up. I don't know what it's called or anything, but it's not done up fully, but I'm sure it would be really nice once it's completely done up. Okay, so this is Lilliput. It's quite empty, it's not very happening. And if you go all the way that side is you have Curly's and the other famous place, which is the Shiva Valley as well, which is at that side.
Relax.
Okay, so this is Aura, which is another really nice place to just sit and chill. So the best part about Anjuna is that you have a lot of such places, nice, beach cafes that you can actually sit down, chill and relax. And there is another place which is right here. I don't know what's the name of the place, but let me just find out. It looks really nice. And they have an accommodation as well, which is beach facing. Okay, I haven't been here before, so let me check this out. There seems to be nobody here, but this place is quite nice. They have some beach beds, and so if you're looking for something which is at the beach front facing where there's no crowd or anything as such, this is a nice place to come to. I really don't know what's the name, but if I find out, I'll put it in the video. Okay, so you can keep walking along this entire stretch there, and you have lots and lots of peaceful, isolated cafes. And as you can see here, these are your beachfront cottages. How cool is this? And today, the sky and the ocean is so beautifully blue. They're like dark blue. So you can take a walk all the way until there. I'm not going to go there because it's obviously very hot. So if you're coming from the beach, then this is the entrance to the cafe. So this is the main entrance to Anjuna.
Madam, breading kurmani hai. Hello,
And it looks so colorful. So there's a car parking this side as well, and all of your beachside shopping stuff that you can pick up from here. So it is around 4:30 now, and you would start to find crowd coming in from now, to watch the sunset. One thing that I really like about Anjuna is the kind of a crowd, as well as the peaceful vibes that are here. Okay, so this side, if you take this lane as well, there's some shopping that you can do. This entire lane has shopping, stalls that you can visit, and that side leads to the beach as well. So from here, I will be heading to a famous place, a restaurant that you should be visiting if at all you are in Goa for authentic Portuguese lunch or dinner that you can actually try out. So I wouldn't be telling you which restaurant it is, so stay tuned, and lots and lots of fun videos coming up, because I think the beach updates with regards to all of your beaches, there's nothing really for me to cover because they're all packed and everything is 100% functional. So I think what is important for you to know if you are coming to Goa is places that you should be visiting, accommodations, and also the good restaurants that you should be going to for some great food. So that is on the agenda, and I will be doing all of this videos one after the other and covering all of this for you. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and also do hit on that bell icon to get notified every single time I make new videos. I'm done from Anjuna and I am super sticky, sweaty, so I definitely need a shower and I'm heading back home. So until we meet again in my next video, bye for now.